I'm tired, but let's do this.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now.
Alright guys, welcome back to Pretty Over 40. So today I am coming to you with my February BoxyCharm. So again, I came home and saw the package. It's kind of late, it's after 10 o'clock, so I wanted to go ahead and film this, and hopefully what's inside I can create a look. I'm going to try to get that video out really quick. All right, so let's just get right into this. Or anyway, let's bust this open and see what's inside. I have no clue what's in BoxyCharm for this month. So let's see. How was you guys' Valentine's Day? Mine was nice. I worked that day. And then I came home. Actually, we celebrated Valentine's Day the day before, so it was really nice because everyone was home. So we had a nice dinner. And that's pretty much what we do every year. We don't go out because I don't like the hustle and the bustle. Hurry up and eat. Here's your ticket, kind of here's your receipt kind of thing. So I much prefer to get what I want for dinner and have it here at home, which is usually some kind of seafood. All right, so looks like this month theme is Afterglow. Reach in. First thing I pull out, oops, is, I can't see past this plastic, nude sticks. Okay. Let's toss that to the side for trash. Okay, that's cute. That looks like that could be a nice base. Okay, yes, it is for your eye. Magnetic luminous eye color. What brand is this? It just says copper foil is the color. Copper foil is the color. That would have been perfect with my eye look today as a base. I guess that is the brand Nude Sticks. All right, let's watch it. It's really soft and creamy. See it? Nice. All right, put that to the side. Let's see, what's this? Oh, this is heavy. Ooh. Better than Sex Mascara. I'm excited to use that. This packaging is heavy, man. You can use this for a weapon after you're done. What? What you say, sucker? Pow! This is heavy. That's really nice packaging, though. It's really sturdy. That brush is nice. We'll check that out. I'm loving the full size mascaras. All right. Ooh, what's this? No Problem Primer. Touch and Soul. Smooth and pore covering. Top secret for perfect makeup. Okay. That looks nice. Let's try that out. That's a nice pump too. Look, I'm always trying to say something. Oh, I didn't show you guys. It's really cute. Doesn't really have a scent. No. Very faint. Feels really silky on the skin. Not like that silicone feel, but really silky. Okay, we'll have to try that out. Okay, let's see. What's this? Pretty Vulgar again. Bronzed Bee 120 Sunkissed Snitch, is it? That's a bronzer. That looks nice. It actually looks dark enough too. That packaging is pretty. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe just to warm the face up. Oh, yeah. Let's watch it. Okay, you can actually see it on my skin. Yeah, you can actually see it. Okay, we'll see what we can do there. Do with that. See what we can do with that. All right, let's see. Feels like it's one more thing. What is this? So, I don't even know what that is. Cocoa Cabana Cream. Moisture Magnet Oil and Water Body Cream. So, I don't know what that name is. Can't make it out. It looks really nice. Let me look on here. All right, Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Regular price on that is $24. Pretty Vulgar Bronze B Bronzer. Price on that is $32. Touch Insole No Problem Primer. That one's $18. Sol de Janeiro. This Cocoa Cabana Cream, regular price is $20. And then New Sticks is the brand, Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. That one is $24. All right, all really good deals. Cannot go wrong with BoxyCharm. Let's open this and see what this smells like. Got a little lid on there. It looks creamy. Oh my gosh. It smells amazing. Like it smells really creamy, and it actually smells like icing. Oh yeah, that's definitely going in my purse. My hands are always dry. Always dry, but especially now in the winter months. That feels really good. Oh, I don't know. This would be nice. It's actually Moisture Magnet Oil and Water Body Cream. That feels really good. This would be really nice after a shower. Oh, that smells really good. All right, guys. Well, no eyeshadow palettes, but that's okay because I still have the Tarte one from last month. So what I will do is, here's my Tarte right here. I will do a look with the things I can use along with this Tarte palette. So I'll be filming that really soon, like very, very soon. So hopefully that video will be up soon as well. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to jump in really quick and show you guys my February, my February BoxyCharm. So, all right, guys. So again, that is this month's BoxyCharm. Stay tuned for my video where I will be using the makeup items that I can incorporate into one of my looks. So stay tuned for that. All right, until next time. Bye.